Hello everyone around the world. So with me here we do have an HP laptop. This is an HP 250. I believe this must be G4, G5, G6. I'm not sure, but it's an HP 250. The laptop came in as no power. It's not doing anything. It's not responding when you press the power on button. It's just dead. So that is the problem. This is coming from a local customer. So I'll plug the power supply. You can see it's set of 19.36. Plug in the power supply. You see the light there is meant to be the light for charging, and it is the light. We are seeing a white light because there's no battery inserted here. Yeah, the laptop came in like that without battery, and it's taking 14 milliamps, which is the right standby current. So when I see something like that, I know the 3.3 is present, the 19 volts is present, but pressing the switch, no change of current, not anything. The laptop is just dead. No like any changes in current. And it's not turning on, it's just dead. So that is the problem. So we need to get inside this. We need to get inside this and try to see what can be wrong here. All screws are out. I'll take the CD drive. And the back cover is supposed to come out. We've left with one screw here. And that's the motherboard. That's the motherboard here. Otherwise, the motherboard looks nice. Huh? The charging port is coming here. So let's plug in the power supply and start to check some voltages. What voltage do we have? What voltage is missing? Let's start from there. Because there must be a reason why this laptop is not turning on. On the charging port we have 19 volts. Here we have 19. Here we have another power supply here. So the 19 volts power supply is present. Okay. Where's the switch button? Here. 3.3. Okay. So what we can do, let's take out the BIOS battery. Let's short pins on the BIOS battery connector. Let's put back the BIOS battery. Let's try again. There are no screws. It seems as if someone once did something here. On. On. Still dead. It's not working. So what we can check? We have 19, we have 3.3. What we can check here? What exactly we can check here? I'm getting confused. I disconnected all the cables except for the LVDS and the switch. On. No. The laptop is still dead. The laptop is still dead. The laptop is still dead. Let's check out the heatsink. Maybe we have some kind of water damage. Because I don't understand why. I don't understand why. Because if we have all voltages, the board has to come on. Let's check the board under microscope. Let's check under microscope. Here, that the E.C chip here. What I can check on the E.C chip, I can confirm the capacitors around this chip. It's not shorted. This looks like liquid damage job. What do you think about this E.C chip? What is this on top of the chip? This looks like water damage job. I'm not happy here. Even on the components around the E.C chip, check on those components. Check what is on the top of the chip. What is that? So I want to clean this E.C chip. I'm not happy here. I'm not happy. I'm not happy with what I'm seeing here. This looks like drink or a liquid or a Coca, some kind of Coca-Cola. I don't know what is this. Let's dry the motherboard. Let's use my flask as the insulator. Just to insulate the pins from corrosion. Because we have 19 volts, we have 3.3, but when pressing, the E.C chip is not responding. So what I'm suspecting like we have some interrupted pins on this chip. Checking the other side of the board. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's see now. So we clean the motherboard, especially on the EC chip. What I want to do, I want to check the coils. I want to check the coils. We have a coil here. It's not shorted. Otherwise, everything looks fine. Let's test again. Let's test again. We need the connector for the LVDS. What else do we need? We need for the switch button here, and this other connector for the LEDs. Let's try here. Let's connect the charging port. Let's connect the power. Pressing the power. It's dead. It's dead. It's not doing anything. Huh? Where's the tweezer? Maybe we have a switch problem. Maybe we have switch problem. I'm trying to power on this motherboard with a tweezer by shorting pins. 0. So what do you think is the problem here? Huh? What is the problem? I'm suspecting the EC chip. That's my suspect. I'm suspecting the EC chip. Maybe we have a dirty EC chip. Who knows? Huh? I want to stick one probe here. I want to come. We have 3.3, pressing the power. It's not the second one. Pressing the power. It's not going to 0. The third one. You see here, and it's on. I can see the LED here, and it's working. Huh? It's working. Check there, it's taking 315 milliamps and the board is on. We have picture. Huh? Really? Enter. Yeah, the keyboard, the hard drive is not connected. Let's power off. Ah, it's working. I was about to swear that we have a dead E.T.C chip. So I was right. That was water damage. That was water damage on the E.T.C chip. I was right. I was right. I was right. I was 100% sure right. What I want to do, I want to put few screws on the motherboard and we test again. Let's test again. Now in this time, I've plugged in the hard drive and the keyboard. Let's test again. On. No, with the switch is not working. But if I short pins, let's try by shorting pins. Don't tell me it's dead again. It's on. So the switch is not working and it's loading Windows. Huh? So is it the E.T.C chip or the switch? Okay. I'll connect this switch. I'll try to power on the laptop. On. The laptop is coming on. And we have picture. You can see the HP log. And it's loading Windows. So it's not the switch. The switch is working fine. We can power off the laptop. Off, on. And the laptop is coming back on again. So that was a water damage job. If you see something like that, the laptop is not coming on, we have the charging light. Before we condemn the process and other things, pay attention on the E.T.C chip. I saw some weird things on top of the chip. And from that moment, I moved my attention to some kind of water damage job. So yeah, obvious, I'll close back the laptop, I'll put thermal paste, the heatsink, and everything. All what I need to check here, I want to check the keyboard and the touchpad to see if the touchpad is still working and the keyboard. Yeah, everything is working fine here. The touchpad, you can see the mouse is moving. The keyboard is responding. You can't see maybe due to reflection, but everything is working fine here. I did not go on desktop because of the screensaver there. The background is too past now to put on the internet. So I'll stop this video now. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification for future updates. Also share our videos to beloved friends and relatives, to everyone. So what was the problem? If I am to ask you what was the problem with this laptop, why this laptop was not coming on? I checked before, there was 19 volts, there was 3.3, but from what I see, I can say, I can safely conclude that maybe they were interrupted pins on the EC chip. We have an ENE chip here, the microcontroller, the EC chip. There was water damage there. There was some kind of water damage. Now we have a working laptop again. So see you on the next one. Bye.